What's up, gamers? It's about that time. Invade Area 51, they can't stop us all.
The attack plan is set and everyone has their roles. In this video, I'm going to be pandering to a select group of people. No, not you, Naruto runners. Everyone knows you can outrun a bullet. I'm talking about these yeehaws. These people are armed to the teeth and ready for a fight. And boy, do I have something for them. Now where to begin? Maybe the same way I start every video, with chronological order. Step 1, use an old part from the shower dispenser. Step 2, design and print out a handle. Step 3, add a trigger to this handle. Step 4, print out a field goal post for this handle. Step 5, fail, but keep the idea. Step 6, take your hot glue gun out on a sexy date because you guys are going to get really close. Oh yeah, and do all the other stuff that I failed to mention in the last step that have clearly been implemented in this picture. Now we're getting to the steamy part. Step 8, 9, I don't know. Add some motors, baby. Wire the motors together and let her rip. Next step, make a battery pack because you can't bring an extension cord onto the battlefield. Confirm that the battery pack actually works. This next step is a two-parter. Buy some voltage boosting taser unit thingies from Amazon for like $8, and buy two $1 lighters at the Dollar Tree and take the lighter fluid out of them. Next step, spook yourself by testing the tasers. This next step is super important, so pay attention. Get drunk at your party, try to impress your friends, and blow up one of the taser units so you can't use it. Alright, enough of that. Let's take a look at our pre-Invade Area 51 checklist. Does it shoot? If you're within 6 inches of the enemy, then yes, absolutely, this thing rips hard. Does it fire? Does it fire? Absolutely it does. Firemen across the country wake up in cold sweats just thinking about this bad boy. Does it shock? Does this thing shock? Hell yes it does, and unfortunately I had to find out the hard way, but that's a story for another time. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the I.A.F.R.A.I.D. Invade, Area 51, round, ammo, incendiary, device. Without any further ado, I present to you the I.A.F.R.A.I.D. in its natural state of pure destruction and straight chaos.
Wow. That boy shoots, dude. Oh my.
Alright gamers, make sure you stock up on the I.A.F.R.A.I.D. and protect yourself for tomorrow's raid. And let's go get what's rightly ours.
The cat girls are hiding in Area 51.
If you like this video guys, make sure to share it, and I'll see you in about 4 months with my next video.